Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Chase Sapphire Reserve drop test. We'll dive right into understanding the physical characteristics of this premium card. Many users appreciate its substantial feel, which comes from its unique construction. We'll explore how this design impacts its durability in everyday use. This analysis aims to provide clear insights into the card's robustness, helping you understand its quality beyond just its benefits. Our drop tests involved simulating common accidental falls, like dropping the card from a table or pocket height. We observed how the card reacted to impacts on surfaces such as concrete and tile. Generally, the card showed impressive resilience, often sustaining only minor scuffs. The robust metal core proved effective in maintaining the card's structural integrity, resisting significant bending or breakage during these tests. The Chase Sapphire Reserve card is known for its substantial feel, weighing around 17 to 19 grams. This is a notable difference compared to a typical plastic card, which weighs about 5 grams. Its premium construction involves a metal core, often stainless steel, encased within polymer layers. This thoughtful combination provides a luxurious heft and significantly boosts the card's resistance to daily wear and tear, making it a durable companion. Considering its impressive durability and premium feel, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card certainly lives up to its high-end reputation. The robust construction means it can withstand the rigors of frequent use, offering peace of mind. Beyond its physical strength, the card provides comprehensive travel and purchase protections, adding substantial value. For those seeking a reliable and luxurious card experience, its blend of material quality and extensive benefits makes it a compelling choice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.